Prime Minister Narendra Modi offered prayers at the Kedarnath and Badrinath Dhams, and he also laid the groundwork for projects worth more than 3,400 crore rupees for the development of the state. The Central Board of Secondary Education has said that the 16th edition of Central Teacher Eligibility Test will be conducted in online mode between December this year to January next year. Union government is working to enhance the ease of living of pensioners across the country. In this direction, the several ministries together are developing a face authentication technology-based system. More than 219 crore 50 lakh vaccine doses have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide COVID-19 vaccination drive. Indian Space Research Organisation plans to launch Chandrayaan-3, its third mission to the moon in June next year.